Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, and let me share with you how to change this cover screen on this device. So it's quite easy, of course, open the device, unblock it, and here we have to enter the settings right here. Now let's scroll down until you will find the option cover screen. Let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got this option which we've got currently applied. So let's simply you can either swipe through all of available options. As you can see here we've got some kind of confetti, here we've got, I don't know, a doggo which we've got applied, and other options. However, if you're not sure whether you like them, you can simply tap on add new, and as you can see we will be transferred to the featured ones, so those are pre-installed. Here we've got the option to create them with AI, so for example you can use your own photo and your device will add the effects depending on the weather, so for example add the snowflakes, raindrops, or something like that. Here you've got also the informative presets, so you can add the clock, the weather, etc. Emojis, so those are pretty nice. Here I believe we've got some broccoli, avocado, carrots, some dogs, bears and cats, donut, etc. Here we've got also interactive options, so I believe those are animated. So here we've got 4 different options, graphical options, etc. So let me set maybe those dogs and cats, maybe this one. So just tap on the specific option, and as you can see here we've got the emojis. As you can see they're also, I believe, interactive, so we can just tap on them and they will start to roll. Here you can change the colors, so and the color of the background, it's totally up to you, and I think I will choose this one. You can also choose emojis, so you can change the bears to, for example, pig or rocket or a ghost or bear, whatever. That's quite a nice option. I will leave them like that and then tap on done. So it should be right now applied to the cover screen. And of course we can close it to check whether it's true. And as you can see we've got the emojis. I'm not sure how to... Okay, that's how to unblock it and how to just play with those emojis. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.